Hello, everyone. I'm here to just give a quick demonstration. I am Jamaican. I was born in the 60s. I grew up in the 60s in Ocho Jamaica. And those days when we used to buy patties in Ocho there was a restaurant that sold patties. Only one restaurant sold patties at that time called Chong's Bakery. It was um, the place where everybody would go and get their patties. And when I compare those patties that we had in the 60s to those what we have now, I mean these patties is hard for me to eat them. It's like a joke because look at this patty like right now. I used to make patties because my mother taught me how to make patties. Patties are very, very hard to make, let me tell you that. But like this patty is a regular patty that I bought, and I just cut it and show you inside. Inside this patty, all it has is just a little soup, a little ground beef. I tried to cut it open and just show you inside. This is a regular patty that I bought. Now you look inside this patty. This is just, and this was actually frozen, a frozen patty, okay? But if you can see it clearly, that this patty is just what they call ground beef. But it's all breadcrumbs. I mean, I can see it. It's breadcrumbs with a little bit of, maybe a little bit of ground beef. But in the 60s, let me show you what our patties were like. Now, they used to use mainly pork. I don't eat pork anymore, okay? But here I have some chicken. I'll just show you. These chunks are the type of chunks of meat we used to get. If you can see this properly. I don't know if my camera is showing very good, but these are the big chunks of meat we used to get in our patties. So, I'm just showing you. I would like somebody to make patties the way we used to get them in the 60s. We used to have like big chunks of meat on our patty. Big chunks of meat like what you see. And then when you go and you have patties like this, and guess what? Those days our patties only cost, I've been eating patties from patties were 5 cents. At that time in Jamaica, it was 5 cents for a patty. It was 3 cents for a bottle of pop, right? We used to call it soda or aerated water or soft drink. And when we got a patty, this was what? It was chunks of meat, big chunks of meat in the patty. Not like the little foolish thing they're making now. So, when you take a patty like this, that's what I call a real patty. These things that they're selling now, to me, it has the name, but if you were one of those persons from back in the 60s, you'll know what I'm talking about. That the real patty has real meat. I can call him a man's patty, You pack it up. And I was talking to a friend. He tells me he has to cut open his patty all the time. So what I can tell you is that you can also cut open your patty and put whatever you want in it. Some people put vegetables in the patty. Some people put whatever type of meat. But, you can actually make what I call the real meat patty, the real Jamaican patties. And let me tell you something. Patties are the only things that Jamaicans really invented, I would say, or make that people don't normally make at home. We make every other dish except patties. Patties are mainly made by restaurants because it's a very difficult thing to make. When I used to help my mother make it, man, it would take all day just to make a few patties. So listen, I'm introducing you to my 60s patty, Mr. Chung's patties. This was what it looked like. Nice, big, and fat. I just took a bite out of the patty, see? And this is the patty. This is what it looks like. Nice, big, chunky. And it feels like you're eating something real. A monster. Okay? Just want to show you that. This is the big, fluffy, juicy, meaty patty. Thank you.